Next is question number 11, part A. These are the first 4 terms of a sequence. Part I is write down the next term. And the common difference between them, D is equal to 7 minus 11 is equal to minus 4. For other two terms, difference is 3 minus 7 is minus 4. And keep on moving. This will be minus 1, minus 4, and this will be minus 5. So the answer is minus 5. And its second part is write down the term to term rule for this sequence. And term to term rule for this sequence is subtract 4. Third part is find the nth term of this sequence. Then by using a1 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, first term is 11 plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus 4, and this is equal to 11 minus 4n plus 4, which is 15 minus 4n. Its B part is the nth term of a different sequence is 2n over n plus 1. Its I part is find the difference between the fifth term and the sixth term of this sequence and give your answer as a fraction. For its fifth term, n is equal to 5 and a5 is equal to 2 into 5 over 5 plus 1, which is 10 over 6, and this is 5 over 3. For sixth term, n is 6 and a6 is 2 into 6 over 6 plus 1, which is 12 over 7. And the difference between them is 12 over 7 minus 5 over 3. 12 over 7 minus 5 over 3 is 1 over 21. Its second part is 3 over 4 a term in this sequence, and show how you decide. 3 over 4. The sequence is 2n over n plus 1 is equal to 3 over 4. It will be 8n is equal to 3n plus 3, and then 5n is equal to 3, and n is equal to 3 over 5, which is not an integer. So this 3 over 4 is not a term in this sequence. Reason is 3 over 5 is not an integer.